This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Nissan Murano. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, grab your smartphone and navigate to its settings. Turn on the Bluetooth function there. Next, look at your Murano's infotainment screen. You'll need to find and select the settings option to begin the pairing process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection. Now that you're in the settings, select Bluetooth on your Murano's display. Then choose Add Phone or Connect New Device. Your car will now be discoverable. On your phone, go back to your Bluetooth settings and look for My Car in the list of available devices. Tap on it. A PIN will appear on both screens, verify they match, then accept the pairing request on your phone. Sometimes, you might encounter a hiccup. A common issue is other devices interfering, so ensure no other phones are actively connected to your Murano's Bluetooth. Also, keep your phone physically close to the car's system for the best signal. If problems persist, try restarting your phone or even the Murano's infotainment system by turning the audio off and on again. Once paired, you can enjoy hands-free calling and stream your favorite music or podcasts. If you want to stream audio, you might need to connect your device specifically as an audio player in the Bluetooth settings. Utilize your steering wheel controls to answer calls or skip tracks, keeping your focus on the road. For more great tips and product recommendations, like those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.